How to delete your Exness account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Exness account. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, if you want to delete your Exness account, open up the app. After you open it up, you will need to tap on the bottom right and go to your profile. After you're on your profile, tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now after you're on settings, you will need to scroll down for a bit or not, and you'll see the delete account option. After you tap on the delete account option, you will get redirected to your mail. Now after you're on your mail, you'll need to write a mail to the Exness support, and you'll simply need to tell them that you want to delete your account, and after you do so, they will help you delete the account completely. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you delete the Exness account. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye, take care.